Doing a comparison video between my 3 Micron gauges, the Fieldpiece, Testo, and Mini Blue. So 14, 23, 17. Got the big hose. I use Nylog on every fitting. I put brand new gaskets in. Every fitting has Nylog. I just got my big old hose. I had it on sale, the 1/2-inch Appion for 75 bucks. So always invest in yourself and your job will be a little bit easier, you know? So, trying to see, we're at 17, 11, and 13. Everything's tight. I even put a little crank on them, which you're not supposed to do, but I did, just to be sure. I got a big old compressor that I'm swapping out tomorrow. It's I think it's a 12.5 or a 10? No, it's a 10-ton train, so that'll be cool. And I got a heat exchanger that I'm doing too. But this setup is awesome. Got this big old hose now. Pretty excited. I found this one for like 100 and something bucks, and then I had it on today for the special for like Black Friday. They had it for 75 bucks, so you can't really beat that online. This hose isn't even 75 bucks. I mean, it's thick. So I put fresh oil in there. I'm gonna change it out again here in a minute. Getting everything organized. So now my other hoses, my 3/8 are kind of obsolete, you know. I even had this little piece that makes your 3/8 to a 1/4. So if you take your mini Bluvacmini piece and you put it on here, you can make your, if you have a 3/8 and a 3/8 like I did, you can make it a 3/8 to a 1/4. It's pretty cool. My Testo's actually reading pretty good. 960, 1000, and 1130. I cleaned them all with isopropyl alcohol, except for my Testo. Down there I did. Just kind of made sure my connection was dusted off. So I'm gonna let this run here for a minute, and we'll see where we're at. What did I do today? Today I did a jade economizer module. That was pretty easy, only a single stage. Did a bunch of videos on those before, so those are simple. And then I had a limit switch failure on a unit heater, so pretty easy day, not too bad. Just did a nice job with the economizer. I'll see if I can put a picture in here at the end. So. And then this way, when I go to suck it out tomorrow, be good to go. That is all old shit that was on there. I don't know what the fuck that is. But there's nothing in this bad boy. Yes. Just gonna keep letting this run and see where we're at comparatively. Usually my Testo is pretty shitty, but we'll see. And then for me, I just like to put a V for vacuum, because I'm gonna pull it down. What's up, Biscuit? What's up, buddy? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Huh, my little boy? Yes, the charger. Active exhaust. Rockin' and rollin'. Got my Nylog. Getting my stuff set up for tomorrow. Got that for my recovery. Boop. I'm gonna keep these on my hoses. I got a Megger. It's pretty cool. Got myself a little Megger. You know, just a little soup go. I paid a little more than I should have, about 150 bucks, but I wanted it, and that's a part house price, so whatever. What are you gonna do? And then NorCal Dave's favorite. 429 wireless. NorCal Dave special. Got this meter, probably the same time Dave got it. A long time ago. Probably it's been off for about 2.5, 3 years. Probably. Something like that. But it's a good meter. Good meter. Yes. 640, 770, 742. I usually average out these two. You call it, 750. But the hose is very nice. Very nice. And that's what I did. And it's weird if you shrink this. See. They're all going up. Now let's open it back up. Testo seems a little more responsive. That's weird. Normally this thing's garbage, but weird. Very weird, my friend. Fucking shit all over it. What the fuck is that? Fucking shit. Yes. Coca-Cola, you're the one. Alright, well, it's a little comparison video. If you have any comments, let me know. Like, subscribe, see you later.